Oh, please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would be a sin. Oh, release me and let me love again. I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want her near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. So release me, my darling, let me go. Oh, so that's it, by heart now. Sagwa hoju winaitaku Zamanyenya kihobu. Oh, sotatu zabai fan kwaita oju. Me, can't you see? Yes, you'll be a fool to cling to me. Yeah. To live a life would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. So release me and let me love